Hey y'all, so it's Mother House of Glitter back with another video. Okay, so I mixed Revolution Prime and Lock eyeshadow primer, and I mixed it with my NYX eyeshadow base in 03, which is Skin Tone. That's what it's called. And honey, I got a P. Louise base. Like, now let me stop. So yeah, I did that, and I'm just gonna apply that all over the lids. Y'all, sorry I haven't been posting any videos. This is an old video. It's about like 4 weeks old. So, I just been busy just getting ready for Ramadan. So the whole month of, me practicing Ramadan, you will not see any videos. Sorry. But yeah. That's just some things I'm working on with, spiritually and mentally that I'm trying to do, whatever. So yeah. But I do want to do another. We're gonna talk about that later. But anyway, so right now all I'm doing is taking a fluffy brush and I'm just gonna smooth that product out, make sure it's tacky, make sure it's, full coverage, make sure it's no creases, no, you know. But I do want to still do a video because I got this palette from, oh, I'm sorry y'all. I got this palette from Skeen London, and it's the Fitz Fitzrovera. I don't know how to pronounce that. But y'all, it's a wonderful palette, so I'm gonna have to like probably do tutorial before I go into hiding. So yeah. Once all that is finished, we're gonna go in with the Zulu palette by Juvias Place. So I'm taking a nice short, stiff, fluffy brush from Crease. I don't know what this brush is called. I would have to look. I'll put it in the description box. I'm taking that purple and I'm gonna apply it right there. Right there, sis. Like right there in that little corner, side pocket, all that. But this is an easy look for girls who have hooded eyes. For those who don't know, I am a hooded eye girl. But in all of my videos, I don't do hooded eye looks. I do a upper cut crease. Like, I make my cut crease bigger than what it's supposed to be, if you get it. So yeah, once we have all that patted out or whatever, we are gonna go in with this color right here, and we're just gonna blend that shade out. Okay, blend it out, make sure it's like it's gonna lift your eye. Like when you blend it out, it's gonna make you look like your eyes are sitting up. It's like, and my eyes are sunken in because I don't get no sleep. But yeah, you just want to blend out the corners. So, and I had some fallout. I didn't know what was going on. Yeah. So now I'm gonna take that color. Now I'm gonna blend it out. Okay. I wanted to blend out the purple before because I didn't want it to create a harsh line and have it a big mess, and I had to start all over. I didn't want to do that. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. And it was a really simple look. Like, I think I used like 2 or 3 eyeshadows, but I had to do the glitter, sis. So yeah. Okay, so right here, what you see me doing is I'm just going back over with that purple just to make sure it's popping, that purple is popping. But yeah, go back over with the purple and just blend any harsh seamless lines. And now I'm just looking at it, making sure that everything is where I want it to be. This was very beginner friendly because I didn't really do anything extra in this look. Like, I really didn't, sis. So yeah, basically all I'm going to do is just keep going back with those two colors, but just making sure that they are pigmented patty, okay? I might have changed my, so now let me stop trying to change my name. Okay, now I'm going to go in with the Morphe palette, and I forgot the name of this palette. I think it's like Copper Bronze palette. Yeah, that's what it's called. It's called the Copper, that was a mouthful. A Copper Bronze palette. I'm going to take that color right there, and that's going to be my transitioning color, okay? Just so everything can melt. Okay, I like when things melt. I like when things just come together. That's just me. But yeah. Now I'm going back in with that purple. I'm going to pat that over top, that purple lid, okay? Yeah. I love doing these fun, I'm still experimenting. I'm not a professional makeup artist. Like, I don't know. But I'm learning as I try to teach people who don't know anything. Okay, I bought these two glitters from the Beauty Bar Cosmetics. One is Opal Vodka and the other one is Purple Alize Honey. And I kind of messed up with this look, but it was still kind of cute. These are actually both glitter toppers. Like, they're both glitter toppers. Like, they're not like the fine glitter. Like, one's not fine, one is a topper. Both of them are toppers. But the Purple Alize is actually a mix. Like, it's mixed with fine, chunky, and glitter topper. Like, so I had to do what I do. But basically, I'm taking that Kiss adhesive, I'm placing everywhere I want this to glitter go. And I think I put on, what did I put on first? Purple Alize. You see how it looks? I should have just used it like that because, like I said, it's fine, chunky, and glitter topper in that. And I should have just used it like that, but I was experimenting, like I said. So, plus this was a hooded eye look, so it didn't matter anyway because you wasn't really going to see a lot. It's a hooded eye look, child. You only see when I blink. So, yeah. And then now over there, I'm just going to let that dry a little bit. And I'm going to go over top of it with the Opal Vodka. And I didn't like the Opal Vodka. I mean, the Opal Vodka. What am I saying? The Opal Vodka. Because I felt as though it kind of really took away from the extremely amount of colors that the Purple Alize had. Like, I didn't like it. So I think I would have to use this with like a fine glitter because yeah, it was giving me like fish scale look, but I was a cute little mermaid. But yeah, so that's done. Y'all know how to put glitter on by now. I've been doing glitter for a long time. All I'm doing is cleaning the glitter look up with some tweezers because some glitter was about to get in my eye, child, and I wasn't having that, okay? Now we're going to go in with our wing liner. Of course, y'all know I'm doing a thick wing liner by NYX Cosmetics in black, of course. Y'all know that. That ain't that new. And I'm going to apply my Lotus lashes that I love so much. And that will complete this video. And like I said, I'm not going to give you any foundation routine yet. Haven't found the right foundation routine for me. Plus, I'm doing like the skin peeling at home, so you know that's really taking some time out of my makeup tutorial. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you share this video, thumbs this video up, send a heart, send something, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.
Yeah, you way too fine to waste time. That's why you never on pause when we on FaceTime. And them niggas be mad cause they can't get you. Bitches like, damn, why that nigga even with you? Tell them mind they business, touch they nose. They mad I treat you like a queen and not a hoe. Real niggas do real things. And don't compare me to your ex cause we not the same. Yeah, I got a little more trip with a whole lot of dick take. Way more trips, blow a bag at the strip. Yeah. And I'ma make it right back. Show you how to get your own, I know you like that, yeah.